Losing weight involves a combination of healthy eating habits, regular physical activity, and lifestyle changes. Here are 20 tips and tricks to help you on your weight loss journey. 1. Set realistic goals. Start with achievable and specific weight loss goals to stay motivated. 2. Create a calorie deficit. Consume fewer calories than you burn to lose weight. Calculate your daily calorie needs and aim for a deficit. 3. Eat whole foods. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. 4. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. 5. Drink water. Stay hydrated by drinking water throughout the day, which can help control hunger. 6. Limit sugary drinks. Avoid sugary beverages like soda and opt for water, herbal tea, or sparkling water. 7. Balanced meals. Include a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats in your meals. 8. Fiber-rich foods. Fiber keeps you feeling full. Eat foods like beans, lentils, vegetables, and whole grains. 9. Plan your meals. Prepare meals and snacks in advance to avoid impulsive, unhealthy choices. 10. Avoid emotional eating. Find alternative ways to cope with stress or emotions, like exercise or meditation. 11. Mindful eating. Pay attention to what and how much you eat. Avoid distractions while eating. 12. Eat slowly. Chew your food thoroughly, as it takes time for your body to signal fullness. 13. Protein intake. Protein-rich foods can help control appetite and preserve muscle mass. 14. Healthy snacks. Choose nutritious snacks like nuts, yogurt, or fruit to curb hunger between meals. 15. Limit processed foods. Reduce consumption of processed and high-sugar foods. 16. Regular exercise. Incorporate both cardiovascular exercise, e.g., running, walking, and strength training into your routine. 17. Sleep well. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night, as poor sleep can affect weight. 18. Stress management. Practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. 19. Keep a food journal. Track your food intake to identify areas for improvement. 20. Seek support. Consider joining a weight loss group, working with a dietitian, or enlisting the support of friends and family. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a gradual process, and crash diets or extreme measures are not typically effective in the long run. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. They can provide personalized guidance tailored to your needs.